In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a table in Notion. By the end, you'll know 2 reliable ways to duplicate your data without losing structure or properties, and you'll understand when to use each method for the quickest results. Let's start with the easiest and most reliable option. The duplicate method. This is perfect when you want an exact copy of a table that appears right below the original, with all of its data, properties, and settings intact. Hover over the top left corner of your table until you see the 6-dot icon. Click that icon to open the table menu, then choose Duplicate. Notion will instantly create a copy directly beneath the original table. This duplicate includes everything: your columns, property types, filters, sorts, views, and the full data set. It's ideal for iterating on a layout or preserving a version before you make changes. After duplicating, take a moment to rename the table so you can tell them apart at a glance. If you plan to move the duplicate elsewhere on the page, you can drag it by the same 6-dot handle to reposition it where it makes the most sense. If the table is large, give it a moment to finish copying before you start editing. Now, let's look at the copy and paste method, which is great for placing a table in another location or copying only part of it. First, select the table using the same 6-dot icon in the top left corner to highlight the entire block. If you only need specific rows or columns, select just those first, then use your keyboard shortcut to copy. Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on macOS. Navigate to the location where you want the copy to go. Place your cursor exactly where you want the table to appear, ideally on an empty line to keep the layout clean, and paste using Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on macOS. Your data and structure will come over, and if you copied only selected rows or columns, you'll paste just that portion. This is especially useful when you are reorganizing information across pages or building a new page from existing data. To recap, use duplicate when you need a full instant copy directly beneath the original, complete with all its properties and settings. Use copy and paste when you want to place the table somewhere else, or copy only part of it. Either way, you'll preserve the structure you've worked hard to build. Thanks for watching.